In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app or site with Repl.it agent using iterative feedback. We're going to keep this simple and effective. The process has two parts. First, clearly tell the Repl.it agent what you want to build, then keep refining it by giving focused feedback. That's it. But the way you do those two things makes all the difference. Start by describing the app or site you want in a single detailed message. Think like a product brief. Explain the purpose, who it's for, and the core features you need. Include any design preferences, such as a clean landing page, a dark theme, or a specific layout. If you have a preferred tech stack, mention it, like a React front end with a simple server or a lightweight static site. Add constraints that matter to you, such as responsive design, accessibility basics, or a simple navigation bar. If you already have example content, include a small sample so the agent can scaffold with realistic text and structure. The goal here is to give the agent enough direction to generate a coherent plan, set up the files, and produce code that aligns with your vision on the first pass. Once the agent responds, read its plan and the generated files carefully. Look for structure, naming, and how features are wired together. Now the second part begins. Refine through feedback. Tell the agent exactly what's working, what isn't, and what to change. Be specific. Instead of saying, make it better, say, replace the hero image with an SVG illustration, or add a contact form with validation and clear error messages. If performance matters, ask for smaller image assets or lazy loading. If you care about usability, request clear headings, keyboard navigation, and descriptive alt text. If a feature is missing, point it out and describe the desired behavior. When something breaks, paste the error output and ask the agent to diagnose and fix it. You can also ask for brief explanations of tricky parts so you understand what's happening under the hood. Iterate in small steps. After each change, preview the result and decide the next tweak. Use short, actionable feedback with acceptance criteria like pass form validation on empty fields and show inline messages, or make the navbar sticky and reduce its height on scroll. Keep the conversation focused on your goals and confirm when a change is complete before moving on. Repeat this feedback loop until the app or site matches your expectations. With clear direction and steady iteration, the Repl.it agent becomes a powerful partner, helping you turn a simple idea into a polished, working project.